Salvage Nation.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. In this episode, we're going to continue the assembly on my 2019 A35 Amg. But before I head off, I wanted to start the video at home because I got two very cool parcels from the guys over at Max Speed and Rods. Check this out. So the guys from Max Speed and Rods have sent me out two parcels. I'm going to be doing a massive install on my BMW E92. However, the guys from Max Speed and Rods also sent me out some goodies that I'm going to be giving away to you guys. So once I get to 10,000 subscribers, as a special giveaway, I've teamed up with the guys from Max Speed and Rods, and I'm going to be giving a lucky subscriber a very, very cool prize. And all you need to do is subscribe to my channel. I don't know, I might do a poll, or I might do a question, or I might do just a random comment picker. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but I'm going to be giving away something really, really nice, really cool. It's a performance part. If you check out maxspeedandrods.com, what they do is they provide performance parts for the car market. And they've reached out, and now we're working together to bring something nice for you guys as a way of giving back. Before I head out for today as well, I've just smashed 6K subscribers yesterday. Guys, thank you, each and every one of you, for subscribing, taking the time out to watch my content, and because of that, I'm happy. I want to give you guys something today as well. Get down in the comments. I want to do a giveaway today. Have a look. I'll be giving away his and hers jet tags to one lucky person today. Leave a comment down below saying hashtag 6K Club, followed by what has been your favorite moment on the channel thus far. And in the next video, I'll do a random comment picker, and I'll pick one of you guys, and I'll be posting you out his and hers Salvage Nation jet tags. Let me know. How does that sound? Right, enough blabbing. Let's get my stuff and head down to the unit and get started with the assembly. I went and picked up a few more parts yesterday. I'll show them to you once I get back to the unit. And oh yeah, guys, in the last video, I said there was more issues. I forgot to put it in right at the end of the video. So let me tell you right now, if you remember, we changed the passenger side alloy wheel, and we found out that the right side, the driving side alloy wheel, was gone as well. Those alloys are quite expensive. As soon as we were driving it down the road, you can just see it going like this. We thought it was the tire. It's probably taken a whack or something. So the driving side alloy wheel is gone as well. Other than that, the car's in good condition. Let's get down to the unit and continue the assembly. Right guys, so I've just made it down to the garage, but have a look at the car behind. It's completely complete. It's in a state right now because of all the sanding that we were doing on the other cars in the garage, and we didn't want to leave this car outside. Akil. So I went ahead, I got a brand new wing, I'll show you that in a second. I got a brand new front bumper, I'll show you that in a second. Brand new headlight, I'll show you that in a second. But to the bad news, have a look at this. I forgot to put this in at the end of the last video. This wheel, it looks completely fine. It looks like I can't see any obvious signs of impact, but when we drove it outside in the last video, it was literally like that. So I've gone ahead and I've spent an arm and a leg again and got the car another alloy. So this is two new AMG alloys that I had to get for the car. A lot of you guys were also getting on to me for the CV boot on the track rod arm. Have a look. Guys, we had to wait for it to come in the post. We've got one right there. We're going to be putting that on the car right now as well. But for now, let's sort out the dirtiness on the car, get it out, get it tidied up, and then we'll get started with the video. Right guys, so we got a slight change of plan. I was gonna wash the car outside, but with all the wires exposed, and we've still got the hole there, and we've still got no gator on my track rod arm, we decided to bring it back in the garage. We're gonna change all of the bits, do what we need to do first, and then once we do the assembly, we'll do a test assembly, and then I'll take it outside and get it washed. So I've gone ahead and I've changed my track rod boot. I know a lot of you guys got down in the comments. I knew I had to replace it. I wasn't gonna drive the car like that for any prolonged period of time. We got that from the main dealer in the post. That's there. We're gonna be taking off all of these little brackets and making sure that they're nice and straight to put back on the wing. But look what I've noticed. This is the passenger side headlight and it's got some damage to the wires right there. The way I'm gonna repair this is I need to take this inner black block out of the connector like so, and then I can have access to the 2 pins. I can see the 2 pins are inside on the left, but there's a clever little tool that I've got to take this out. And also, before I continue on that, I'm going to be tearing down the interior right there, all the panels, all the kit trims, so I can access this panel right here. And the guys over at Max Speed and Rods has sent me over this kit. Check this kit out, guys. It's literally fully loaded with all these handy little tools to remove all the trims. It's got some key sets to remove your radios, both different types of radios. It's got all of these clip pullers, and this is just really handy. But more importantly as well, these little keys are used to remove these sort of clips. So guys, look at all of these different keys right here, and you push them into the holes and it literally unclips all of these little pockets, and you've got so many of them so it can work for all your cars. If you click the link down below and use the code SALVAGE, and you'll get 17% off the cost of this kit. Special thanks to the guys over at Max Speed and Rods. I'll link their info down below. Guys, go check them out. They do some really amazing stuff. And when I get to 10K, I'll be doing another giveaway thanks to the guys from Max Speed and Rods. Let's use this kit, get everything torn down, and continue. He loves his old school cars.
That is proper sound.
Whilst I crack on with all the wiring stuff here, Akil is just getting the front bumper ready because we want to get this car out of the garage today. I want to take it on a proper test drive. So as you can see, I've fixed my headlight connector. I need to test that headlight. Before I can test that headlight, I need to remove this and that one. So those need to go there, like, there you have it. Right guys, so I've gone ahead, I stripped down the interior to access that panel. It's actually a double layered panel, so I can't access it from the inside. So I'm gonna reassemble the interior. We're gonna do the exterior in the next episode. For today, what I'm gonna do is just continue. I'm gonna test fit everything. I fitted the boot, as you saw, for the track rod arm. So I'm gonna assemble everything, get the car next door, get it tracked, really see what this car can do, because mechanically everything has been taken care of. And it's just, he just said it. What was that?
I'll take it to the car wash.
Okay, we're gonna take it to the car wash. So yeah, let's get the car out, get it tracked, take it to the car wash, and see what this car can do. Let's go. Once it's in Sports Plus, that's when you should hear the valve open up. Right, let's take the car for tracking, get it washed, and change this alloy wheel, and we can get out of here, man. There you have it, guys. Tracking's done, new tire, new alloys. Now it's time to take it to get rid of all this gunk, get it cleaned, and then we can go for a proper test drive. Let's get out of here, man.
Crazy.
Guys, are you not entertained? We're back at the unit. The car has performed amazingly. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you enjoyed this episode, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Check this out. Behind me, there's Akil. There's the next big guy. They've already started to tear down the front end on the car. I'm gonna put the camera down in a minute and I'm gonna jump on it as well, and we're gonna be preparing for paint tonight. It's a lovely day outside, but I can't enjoy that right now because I've got work to do. We're gonna be pulling an all-nighter, prepping all of this for paint. Hopefully we're gonna put down some paint on that as well. I'm gonna be taking everything off of this bumper, getting it ready to go onto the new bumper. We're gonna be cleaning up the interior. There's still a lot of work to do, and I hope that you stick around to see the next episode on this build. Remember, if you wanna get one of those kits that I was using to remove the paneling on this car, click the link down below, use the discount code SALVAGE, and you'll receive 17% off your order. And remember, this is gonna be a giveaway, guys. Comment down below, hashtag 6K Club. I've just hit 6K subscribers, and guys, this is where we're gonna end it. I'm gonna get stuck into that, and like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.